Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Itself is reflective of what was the submission made by me yesterday. And I think the honorable here who have proposed this based on the rules of procedure and conduct of business has misinterpreted the basic content of the submission itself. Mr. Speaker, sir, the person concerned, whose name was reflected in the national media, was an alleged accused, not a convicted, number one. And number two, I have not made an allegation of any substantive crime having been committed by referring to what was reflected in the photograph. I have met my submission saying that we got to be careful, we got to be cautious as to who we associate while we occupy office of authority, office of position, office which is constitutionally empowered. That's no submission I have made. And I have also made a submission. In view of these findings, I would suggest the Honorable CM to dissociate himself from being associated with this kind of thing, whose antecedents I'm not aware of. It is up to the office of the CM to put them on scanner. That is what I am saying. The word scanner. Now, why is the government of the day so desperately and so, stretching it out to defend it? Is it not a fact that the media carried that very news item, a national media, business network, on the 23rd of April 2013, long time ago, and the person concerned happens to be associated with the Minister of Agriculture? That's why suggestion has been made. It's not an allegation. It's a submission, urging the Chief Minister to be careful to dissociate himself from being associated with this family. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Alleged accused, but not convicted. So if it is not convicted, I am not here to plead the innocent person. No. See, that's what we were seeing when we discuss any issues inside the house. I personally feel, sir, we have to restrain from this kind of reference and let us always be guided by the Lord.
This is a photograph, an official photograph which is in the social media page of the organization. because he is holding the responsibility. A person who has been accused as a kingpin of such heinous crime. Well, why do you want to unnecessarily drag yourself into problem? Mr. Speaker, sir, therefore, this is unnecessary. I have not accused the CM, I have only questioned him. So this does not require any expungement.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I once again would like to repeat again. Sir,